What an exciting day today for all of us that is watching Anyone Can Cook. We are doing a takeover from Chef Reggie Aspiras herself. We are heading to the town of Carcar and Talisay, where we will find two different cooking methods of the lechon, meaning the Cebu lechon, period. Out of this lechon are the byproducts that will be equally discussed. You will see the smothereens of all the epicure of the lechon, which is the ginambot. I am welcoming you today on Reggie's show and / podcast. My name is Kate Dychangco-Anzani, and today's episode is a unique one and never been done for Anyone Can Cook, as Reggie Aspiras walks you through the process of the lechon in order for us to be able to food stamp this on a regional scale.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchens of the World. I am Reggie Aspiras, and guess where I am? I am in Cebu, and I am now in Kandingan sa SRP, where there is nothing more authentic than the dishes that we have to present. So here we go, we're going to open them one by one so you can see and taste what Cebu has to offer. This is puchero, palmakwa, baklay. Ang baklay gawa sa beef. Okay, ito ano dinarang, sinigang na isda, kaldereta, lumpia, bami, crispy pata, and of course, prinitong liempo. What else is there to ask for? It's a delicious paradise for all of us food eaters. Welcome to Cebu. And so what is food without people who love eating just much as I do? So with me now are some of the best people you can eat with in Cebu. This is 𝗪𝗪. Of course, he makes sure that everything in Cebu, or at least we're trying to do, is to make everything in Cebu food safe. So the process starts now with Joey. And of course, there is Alice. Alice is one of the best tour guides you can find. And of course, when you're in Cebu, seek her out for her services. And the one and only historian, Luella. Alex is with us. This woman, of course, needs no introduction. Food in Cebu is what it is, partly because of Kate Anzani. So Kate and her husband, Marco. And of course, the adopted son of Cebu, Michael, who loves Filipino and Cebuano food more than a lot of us do. So now we're going to take you to Carcar, and we're going to discover everything there is about lechon. So let's go and eat. I am in Carcar. Finally, it is a historical and heritage town known for its beautiful old houses and of course, lechon and all its byproducts. I am now discovering how nilunod is actually made. Nilunod is the Visayan chicharon bulaklak. And of course, Cherry is the one who is making it for us, and it's done traditionally, as you can see, in a kawa, using the banana leaves as its, how should we say it? It's a strainer. Yeah, it's to remove the fat. What they do is to put it in a banana leaf to drain it off its fat. So this is how it is done. Oops, you caught me. It's the best part. Out of there and into this. Oh, so hot. Oh, so crispy. So good. Lami. Super, super, super. This is why we love Cebu. We love Cebu for so many things, but more so for its delicious, juicy, and look, charcoal kissed and crispy Carcar lechon. Welcome to Talisay, and this is where the famous Talisay lechon is made. Made differently from the one in Carcar, but nonetheless delicious. They say this is where the original Cebu came from, but then again, we'll learn more about that throughout the episode. So, once again, welcome to Cebu and welcome to Talisay.
Perfect. No?
And I'm taking
Taking the tails.
what is, they say, the best part of the lechon.
Humot. That's
Humot.
by the
That's so good. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. What an eventful day. All these counterparts have taught us so many life lessons that the Filipino is easy to please. Just give them full of flavor, one ingredient, no need for sauce, for our Cebu lechon, and such a beautiful melange of just, what did we say? It was cooked in Carcar, the yerba, which is a different kind of herb, and in Talisay, the lemongrass and the local onions. Both tasted so different. One was cooked in pineapple and one was cooked in a soy sauce, which completely different flavors from the Carcar lechon and the Talisay lechon. But of course, all of this is subjective. But wow, what a lesson for all of us. My name is Kate Dychangco-Anzani, and thank you for joining us today, and Anyone Can Cook.